Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Luna for Fortnite. First, ensure you have an active Amazon account and a Luna subscription. Next, download the Amazon Luna app on your preferred device, whether it's a Fire TV, PC, Mac, or a compatible mobile phone. You'll also need a stable internet connection, ideally with at least 10 megabits per second download speed, and a supported game controller to get started with your cloud gaming adventure. Once the Luna app is installed, it's time to set up your controller. You can use a Luna controller, an Xbox One controller, or even a PlayStation DualShock 4. Simply pair it with your device. Next, you'll need to link your Amazon account to your Epic Games account. This crucial step ensures all your Fortnite progress, V-Bucks, and cosmetic items are available on Luna. A stable internet connection, ideally over Wi-Fi 5 GHz or a wired connection, is essential for a smooth experience. With your controller connected and accounts linked, you're ready to launch Fortnite. Open the Amazon Luna app and browse the game library until you find Fortnite. Select it, and Luna will quickly stream the game to your device. There's no need for lengthy downloads or updates. You'll be in the lobby in moments, ready to jump into a match. The controls will be familiar if you've played Fortnite on other platforms with a controller, ensuring a seamless transition. To truly optimize your Amazon Luna Fortnite experience, a strong internet connection is key. We recommend a minimum of 10 megabits per second for smooth gameplay, but 15 to 20 megabits per second is even better. Consider using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi to minimize latency and ensure a more stable stream. Also, close any background applications or browser tabs that might be consuming bandwidth or system resources. These small adjustments can make a big difference in your game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.